So I'm going to be doing a brow tint today using henna. I added some patches underneath my eyes to look cute. I'm going to cleanse my brows with some alcohol to remove any oil that could be on my skin. The products I'm using is the charcoal henna, rose water, and conditioner. Mix it all together off camera, and then I came back and cleansed my brows again. So yeah, I'm brushing my brows into place, and then I'm going to fill my brows in with the brow pencil and get the shape that I want. Because you know this henna, once you get it on there and that stuff dries, it's gonna be kind of hard to get it off. You have to use maybe alcohol or something like that to get it off, but we want it there, so yeah, we go ahead and shape them how we want it before we put the henna on there. And I use the trimmer to cut my brows and get them right. So now I'm filling them in. I think I repeat this process like 3 times, and I let it dry in between the applications for two minutes or so. Precision. Yes, baby. Then I'm gonna let it dry. Well, clean it up, let it dry. Sit for 10 minutes, and then I wipe that off in the final product real quick.